promote digital transformation and energy conservation in the stone industry, the traditional methods of paper records and handwritten labels, which cannot accurately control inventory quantities and locations, have been replaced. The introduction of RFID applications in stone management and low-carbon procurement technology assigns a unique identity barcode to each large slab, enabling effective tracking of stone slab positions and inventory levels. Automated detection and reading of barcodes during storage movements significantly improve management efficiency and reduce human errors. Additionally, systems for tracking carbon footprints, stone applications, and provenance have been established, providing customers with detailed product histories.